Today, we take a trip down memory lane, revisiting two all-season veterans before their successor. Pirelli's SF3 and Continental's AllSeasonContact 2 take center stage. Let's see how Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF2 stacks up against Continental AllSeasonContact in one final showdown. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental AllSeasonContact set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's 2022 all-season tyre test. Let's start with wet conditions, where the Continental takes a commanding lead. It stops 2.7 meters shorter in wet braking, which is a 7% advantage. In wet handling, it's 2.2 seconds faster per lap, a 2% improvement. Aquaplaning was a close call, both tie in straight-line aquaplaning. On snow, the AllSeasonContact continues to dominate. It stops 2.5 meters shorter in snow braking, a 7% lead. In snow handling, it's 1.2 seconds faster per lap, or 1% better. However, the SF2 fights back with 0.1 second quicker acceleration in snow traction, giving it a 2% advantage. If getting off the line faster matters to you, the Pirelli holds a slight advantage. On dry roads, the Pirelli turns the tables. It stops 2.1 meters shorter in dry braking, an impressive 5% improvement. But braking isn't everything. When it comes to handling, the Continental responds better, finishing 1.8 seconds quicker per lap, a 2% advantage. Once again, better braking doesn't always mean better handling. For exterior noise, both tyres are evenly matched at 100%, meaning you won't hear much difference between them. Rolling resistance, however, tells a different story. The SF2 outperforms here with a rolling resistance coefficient value of 7.5 compared to Continental's 8.1. That's an 8% lower rolling resistance, translating to better fuel efficiency over time. Finally, let's talk about price. The SF2 is 3% lower compared to the Continental AllSeasonContact. But does this small price difference outweigh the performance trade-off? That depends on your priorities. In summary, if you prioritize snow and wet grip, the Continental AllSeasonContact is your best bet. On the other hand, if fuel efficiency and dry braking matter more, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF2 is the way to go.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.